am here with my new video on topic step line. In this video, we will discuss the distance between two lines, various form of equation of straight lines, and their conversion. So let's start. Various form of straight line. Various form of straight lines. First, general equation of line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Number one, write down first form of equation. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. That equals to this equation can be written as by equals to minus ax plus c, dividing both the sides by df by equals to minus ax upon b plus c upon b. Okay. Minus ax minus c upon b, and slope m is equals to minus a upon b. This is the slope intercept form. Second, intercept form. Second type, intercept form. General equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This equation can be written as ax plus by is equals to minus c, dividing both the sides by minus c. So we have ax upon minus c plus by upon minus c is equals to minus c divided by minus c. First, we divided by minus c both the sides because we need 1 in right hand side. So this become, and this can be also written as x upon minus c upon a plus y upon minus c upon b is equals to 1. This is the intercept form of the line, like x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. Here minus c upon a intercept at x-axis, intercept at x-axis, and minus c upon b be intercept at y-axis. Okay, so this is the two various form of equation of line converted into the intercept form and various. This is the intercept and mod form. Now find the equation of line through the 2 points. When any line passes through the 2 points, then how will we determine their equation? So equation of line equation of line passes through the 2 points, passes through the 2 points. This is the y-axis, suppose x-axis. Let us consider a straight line passing through the 3 points A, B and C like this. Suppose the coordinate of point A, x1, y1, coordinate of B, x2, y2, and take a point C of coordinate xy, We determine the equation of this line AB. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले we know that these 3 points are collinear point, so the slope of AC is equals to slope of CB. Okay, so write down slope of AC is equals to slope of CD. Okay, and you know that slope of a line M is equals to y minus y2 upon x minus x2, or M equals to, write down, y minus y2 is equals to x minus x2, or y minus y1 is equals to x minus x1, y minus y1 upon x minus x2. Clear? So slope of AC is equals to y minus y1. Here y1 with the y, x1 y1, and 2 point with the x2 y2. So suppose this point be x1 y1 and this is the x2 y2. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equals to, and slope of BC. Slope of BC will be y minus y2, y minus y2, x minus x2. This can be written as y minus y1 is equals to, by cross multiplication, this x minus x1 goes, so y minus y2 upon x minus x2 in bracket x minus x1. This is the equation of line passing through the 2 points. This is the equation of line passing through the 2 points. Is it clear? Now next, with the help of this equation, we can determine the slope intercept form. So slope intercept form. Equation of line in slope intercept form. Equation of line in slope intercept form. Suppose a line intersect at a point A on x-axis and a point B on y-axis. Let this distance, the point of this distance from origin be A and this point from origin be B. Therefore, A coordinate is equals to A comma 0. A comma 0 is the coordinate of point A, and the coordinate of point B is the 0 comma B. This is the origin. Since this straight line passes through the 2 points 0 comma B and A comma 0, since line passes through the 2 points 0 comma B and A comma 0. Therefore, equation of line. Therefore, equation of line. Since we know that the equation of line passes through the 2 points be y minus y1 is equals to y minus y2 upon x minus x2, x minus x1. Yes, in this case, we will use this formula. Since y minus y1 is equals to y minus y2 upon x minus x2 into x minus x1. The given point is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now putting the values. So put the values. A comma 0 and 0 comma B. Okay, so x1 is equals to A, y1 equals to 0, x2 is equals to 0 and y2 is equals to B. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now put all these values in this equation. So we have y minus y1. y1 is 0. y1 is 0 is equals to y minus y2. y2 is given b. So y minus b upon x minus x2. x2 is 0. And x minus x1. x1 is a. This will be y is equals to y minus b upon x in bracket x minus a. By cross multiplication, x y is equals to y minus b into x minus a. This by multiply, we have xy equals to x into y minus multiply by y ay minus bx plus ab. Okay, now this xy and xy we cancel out, and minus ay and minus by sent into the left hand side. So we have a y plus bx is equals to ab. Now this equation we need right hand side is 1. So divided by ab, both the sides. So dividing by ab. So we have ay upon divided by ab. So ay upon ab plus dx upon AB is equals to AB divided by AB. A and A cancel out. Y upon B plus x upon A is equals to 1. And this can be written as x upon A plus y upon B is equals to 1. This is the equation of line in intercept form. Here A is the intercept. A is the intercept and B is the intercept at y-axis. A is the intercept at x-axis and B is the intercept at y-axis. Okay. And last one is the normal form of a line. Normal form of a line. Normal form of a line. That is equals to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to beta. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to beta. This is the normal form of a line. Now distance of a point, distance of a point from a straight line, you know this formula. D is, suppose a straight line AX plus BY plus C equals to 0, a point P of coordinate x1, y1. Then this distance be D. So D equals to mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon under root A square plus B square. Okay, this is the distance of a straight line from a point, and it is also called the length of the perpendicular. This distance is also known as length of the perpendicular, that is the AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon under root A square plus B square. And next, from the, if two parallel lines passes through the point, then distance between them suppose first line and second line. The equation of this line be AX1 plus BY1 plus C equals to 0 and AX2 plus BY2 plus C1 and C2 equals to 0. And this is the distance between there. So write down the equation, the distance between these 2 points D equals to mod C1 minus C2 upon under root A square plus B square. This is the distance between two parallel lines. This distance calculated by this formula D equals to mod C1 minus C2 upon A square plus B square. Now come to the exercise and we will solve some questions based on these formulas. take out some questions. Firstly, we take a very easy question. Equation of line convert equation of line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0 in various form, means intercept form and slope intercept form, and also we can express in the perpendicular form. Solution: given equation 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. This is the given equation 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. This equation can be written as minus 4y is equals to minus 3x minus 1. This equation can be written as minus 4y is equals to minus 3x minus 1. Now divided by minus 4, both the sides. Minus 4y divided by minus 4 is equals to minus 3x divided by minus 4 minus 1 by minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4 cancel out. We have y equals to 3 upon 4x plus 1 by 4. And this is the form of y equals to mx plus c. This equation like as a y equals to mx plus c. Suppose this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. If we compare both the equation number 1 and equation number 2, we find the slope of the given line. Here m is x, the coefficient of x is equals to m, and above equation coefficient of x is equals to 3 by 4. It means 3 by 4 is the slope of this line. Okay, therefore we can write slope of given line, and slope of given line m equals to 3 by 4, and intercept c is equals to 1 by 4. So c is equals to 1 by 4. This is the one answer. C equals to 1 by 4. And this equation also can be expressed as an intercept form. This is the slope of given line and intercept. Now we convert this equation as an intercept form. So intercept form. 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Means 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. Dividing both the sides by minus 1. Dividing both the sides by minus 1, we have 3x upon minus 1 minus 4y upon minus 1, and here minus 1 by minus 1. So this can be written as x upon minus 1 by 3 minus minus plus y upon 1 by 4 is equals to 1. So it is the intercept form, and here intercept a equals to minus 1 by 3 and b equals to 1 by 4. Okay. Now take next question. Find the distance of the point. Question number 4. Question number 4 through the exercise 13.2 and 3. 13.3. 10.3. Exercise 10.3. Find the distance. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma minus 1 from the line line 12 x plus c 6 x plus 6 is equals to 5 y minus 2 y minus 2. Okay, first solution. First of all, first we convert this equation as a standard form, ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c. Solution 12 x plus c is equals to 5 y minus 2. Multiply by 12, 12x plus 72 is equals to 5y minus 10. So this will be 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. And this line, find the distance of this line through the point minus 1 comma 1. We know that distance of a straight line through a point be a x1 plus b y1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square, right? Ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. What is the x1 by1? X1 by1 is given minus 1 comma 1. In such question, x1 by1 is given minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1 is the x1 y1. Therefore, D. A. Here A is the 12. A is the 12. So capital A is equals to 12. Capital B is equals to minus 5. And C is equals to 82. C is equals to 82. Now putting all the value, D equals to A, x1 equals to minus 1 plus B minus 5, y1 is 1 plus C upon under root, and this will be in a mod a square plus b square minus 5 square. Clear? So D is equals to mod minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 upon under root 144 plus 25. D equals to Now putting the value a equals to 12, b equals to -5 and c equals to 82. After solving 17 plus 82 169. After solving we will get the answer 82 minus 17, then 65 by 13. So distance is given 65 upon 13. ओके, बट डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हमें आंसर यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. A equals to 12, B equals to -5 and C equals to 82. Okay. Now next question. Question number 5. Find the points question number 5. Find the points on the x-axis whose distance from the straight line x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equals to 4 units or 4 units. आइए इसका आंसर देखते हैं. सॉल्यूशन. Find the points on the x-axis whose distance from the line are 4 units. This in this question distance is given, d equals to given. So d equals to given 4 units and x1 y1 will be find. So let the point on the x-axis. So what will be the point on x-axis? X comma 0. Let the x comma 0 be a point on the x-axis. Okay. Now first we convert this equation in general form. So taking care LCM, 4 is a 12. This will be 4x plus 3y is equals to 1. Means 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. Means 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Equation number 1. And comparing this equation by ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Comparing 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0 with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We have a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. A is equals to 4, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 12. And the given point x1 y1 be x comma 0. Let x comma 0 be a point. It means x1 equals to x and y1 equals to 0. Now putting in formula, you know d equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. B is equals to given 4. So 4 is equals to a 4 into x plus b into y1 is equals to 0 plus c equals to minus 12 upon under root a square. A is given 4. 4 square plus b is 3 square. So 4 equals to 4x minus 12 under root 16 plus 9. So it equals to 4x. Okay. Here we will use also mod. Right now. So this equals to 4 upon 16 plus 9 25 and square root 25 equals to 5. 5 4 is 20. So this can be written as 20 is equals to 4x minus 12. This is a 12 minus 12. Okay, it means 4x equals to 32. So x is equals to 32 by, so x equals to 8. Now point will be 8 comma 0. The point will be 8 comma 0. Answer. First answer will be 8 comma 0. Clear? And if we take plus minus, then we will get the another value. Yes. Okay. Now question number 6. There are two questions given. Question number 6. Equation of straight line 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equals to 0. And second, 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equals to 0. Find the distance between these two lines. Find the distance between these two lines. Okay. Solution. We know that if two line ax1 ax plus by plus c, and second equation ax2 plus by2 plus c equals to 0, then the distance between these two parallel lines d is equals to c1 minus mod c minus c2 upon under root a square plus b square, mod c1 minus c2 upon under root a square plus b square. Therefore, both the line a equals to 15 compared with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is the c1 for first line. This is the c2 for second line. So d is equals to mod minus 34 minus 31 upon under root a square 15 square plus b square means 8 square. So therefore d equals to mod minus 65 upon 15 square 225 plus 8 8 जा 64 minus 65 upon under root 6 to 8 289. Therefore d equals to 65 upon 70. So d equals to 65 upon 70. This is the distance between given two parallel lines. Very good. ये शो करेंगे कि लाइंस एक पैरेलल है, तो चेक करने के लिए दोनों लाइंस के हम क्या निकाल लेंगे, दोनों लाइंस के स्लोप निकाल लेंगे और स्लोप निकाल के चेक कर लेंगे कि लाइन पैरेलल है कि नहीं। फिलहाल दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि इनके स्लोप क्या है, इक्वल है। चेक कर लीजिए 8y is equals to minus 15x minus 34 means y equals to minus 15 upon 8x minus plus 34 upon 8. This is the equation of first line, and similarly for second line. For second line, 8y is equals to minus 15x minus 31. So y equals to minus 15x upon 8 minus 31 by 8. M1 is equals to minus 15 upon 8 in this case, and for second line M2 is equals to minus 15 upon 8. It means these two lines are parallel line. These are the parallel line, their slope is same, and this distance d is equals to 65 upon 17. This is the equation of first line given, and this is the second equation. 15x plus 8y plus 31 equals to 0. Clear? One more question. Find out the distance from 3 comma minus 5 to straight line 3x minus 4y minus 26 equals to 0. Comparing with ax1 plus by1 plus c equals to 0, a equals to 3, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 26, and given point x1 y1 3 comma minus 5. We know that d equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Now putting the value, we have d is equals to a x1 equals to 3 plus b minus 4 y1 minus 5 plus c minus 26 and mod divided by under root a square plus b square. A square means 3 square plus b square means minus 4 whole square. So d equals to 3 is a 9 plus 20 minus 26 divided by 9 plus 16. So d equals to 29 minus 26 upon 5. 3 upon 5. This is the distance from 3 comma minus 5. तो इस टाइप से क्वेश्चन आपके एक्सरसाइज में दिए हुए हैं 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 लगाइएगा. रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो. थैंक यू.